Try again. Close quote. This usually happens when the game client fails to stay connected to the patching server during updates. Here's a step-by-step fix you can try. /statter fix Path of Exile 2 connection failure patching server. 1. Check internet stability. Restart your router or switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. If on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or switching bands, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz. 2. Run as administrator. Close the game. Right-click on the Path of Exile 2 launcher, select Run as Administrator. This gives the patcher the required permissions to connect properly. 3. Disable VPN proxy firewall temporarily. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it. Check firewall or antivirus, Windows Defender, Avast, etc. Make sure pathofexile.exe and the launcher are added to the allowed list. 4. Change DNS settings. Switch to a faster DNS for better server resolution. 1. Open network settings, change adapter options. 2. Right-click your connection properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. 3. Enter NICE preferred DNS 8.8.8, alternate DNS 88.4.4, Google DNS. Number 5. Check server region. Sometimes patch servers are overloaded. If the launcher has a server region option, switch to another region, e.g. from EU, US. #6. Clear game cache. Navigate to your Path of Exile 2 installation folder. Delete the folder named cache or temp. Don't delete core game files. Restart the launcher and try again. 7. Reinstall the launcher. If nothing works, uninstall the Path of Exile 2 launcher. Download the latest official version and reinstall. Pro tip: this error often happens during peak hours, new patch releases, server stress. If the issue persists after trying fixes, wait 15 to 20 minutes and retry. Sometimes it's on the server side. Do you want me to also